Hello everyone, my name's Alain with Aquila Power Catamarans. I'm standing aboard beautiful 70-foot luxury power catamaran by Aquila. Step aboard and we'll take you on a quick view through this amazing vessel. We're aboard the beautiful Aquila 70 Power Catamaran up here in the Flybridge, or the Sky Lounge Flybridge. What that brings you is a climate-controlled Flybridge, which is essential or great when you're in the tropics doing your traveling. So fully air-conditioned or heated if you're in a cold climate. Forward of me is your primary navigation station. Everything is run through Volvo glass cockpit, powered by D13-1000s. In this vessel specifically, you've got beautiful STID captain's chairs. Behind me, we've got a wonderful L-shaped table, or seating with a table. This does lower down into a cocktail table or raise up into a dining table. The scenery around, obviously you see all the oversized windows. Tremendous for when you're docking on the port and starboard side. We have wing stations to assist the captain or an owner-operator with docking this vessel. Simply a beautiful Flybridge up here, fully air-conditioned, heated again. Just what an exceptional layout up here in the Flybridge. On the aft of the Flybridge, we have a tremendous layout. We've got our summer kitchen up here with the Kenyon oversized induction grill top. We have a refrigerator, ice maker down below, additional storage. And then on the port side, we've got an L-shaped bar top area with some cocktail or bar stools and additional storage. So just a fantastic area up here. Just take the sights in if you're at anchor. But what an exceptional view from up here. In addition to that, we've got our sliding door and panel glass windows that open up to really give an exceptional view through the entire Flybridge. So we're in the Salon of the Aquila 70 Power Catamaran. One of the first things you're going to notice when you step in on board inside the Salon is just the expansive windows throughout. You have a full 360-degree view. We have amazing appliances from Gangano, including a full-size oven, induction cooktop, full-size dishwasher, espresso machine, wine chiller, full-size fridge and freezer, as well as a secondary fridge and freezer. Just an amazing setup in here. We have a Natuzzi decor package, which includes the couches, a dining table, and just a pure contemporary comfort of being on board the Aquila 70 Salon. Really amplifies your experience on board. Stepping into the engine room on the Aquila 70 Power Catamaran is quite an experience. It's not only large, but it's also high. Powering this boat, there's various engine package options. Primary engine package is a Volvo D13-1000, so a total of 2,000 horsepower. We also offer a hybrid package through eMotion, so great options for you when it comes to powering this amazing power catamaran. Sleeping quarters on the Aquila 70 are quite remarkable. We're standing in the primary cabin in this configuration, which is a 4-cabin version. Down to my right, or port side of the boat, is the double vanity, the toilet area, and a full-size luxury ensuite shower. Down on the starboard side, we've got access to our hanging closet space and additional drawers. Basic cabin configurations on this boat are 4-cabin, 4-head layout, or you can also do a 5-cabin or a 6-cabin version. So whether you're an owner-operator or you're a charter version, we have a cabin configuration to suit your needs. Walking around the Portuguese fly on the Aquila 70 is quite an experience. Not only do you have direct access down to your bow, but you also have wing stations to assist with docking on both the port and starboard side, giving you clean line of sight to your docks wherever you're pulling in. As you walk down here, we have steps down to the foredeck from the Flybridge, which is unique to Aquila throughout our models, but not more important than the Aquila 70 that I'm on board. And as we step down, you'll see we've got significant handrails, stainless steel throughout, sun loungers, and a great bow seating area. If you'd like to learn more about Aquila, please visit one of your local MarineMax retailers, or visit one of our many Aquila International dealers, or you can visit us online at aquilaboats.com.